Okay, with this blaster, he was complaining about how the teeth was where the chain was skipping. So I'm gonna take this cover off and we gonna see what's going on. See how this sprocket looking. Yeah, so I had got the cover off, and what I found behind the cover is his sprocket is horrible. Like, his sprocket is missing all the teeth around it. Like, that's crazy. So he definitely gonna need a new sprocket. Then it looked like the screws had broke off inside the sprocket. Okay, so we got another sprocket right here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna switch that burnt out sprocket right here with no teeth to the good one. And I got that new sprocket on with a good used sprocket. V-touch.